Well, our tip of the week this week is how to protect our harvest for another couple weeks. We're late October now, and our temperatures are starting to drop. We're getting down into the mid and low 30s coming up. So that will kind of wipe out our gardens, but we can extend that a little bit by using a frost cloth. And so this is kind of a nice lightweight cloth. You can pick this up at most independent garden centers or home stores. And what we'll do is when those evening temperatures are starting to drop down, we'll drape this over our crops and it'll act like a little blanket. So if you don't have the frost cloth, you can also use like a sheet or something like that. And what that does is just kind of protects it from the frost settling on there. So you can put this on in the evenings when the temperatures are starting to drop down, and then pull it back off during the day. And that will extend our crops and get a harvest just for a couple more weeks. So that's our tip of the week, is using frost cloth to extend our harvest for a couple weeks.